Hi guys, this is Ms. Howell. We're going to be talking about Unit 12 and it is over volume. Today is Monday, January the 8th, regular math. You'll need calculators, journal, paper, pencil, however you take notes. Okay, we're going to be talking about volume of cylinders, cones, and spheres in this section. First of all, we're going to talk about volume of cylinders, but I want to show you this video on volume and how it compares each one of them together. So let's watch that quickly. Awesome, guys. So it was showing you how the volume of all three work together. Okay, the first shape we're going to do is volume of a cylinder. So get ready for some notes. Here's what the formula looks like on the star reference chart. Volume equals big B times H. Volume equals the base of the cylinder times the height. And that formula should look familiar to you. It's the same formula for surface area of a prism. Okay. Now let's talk about volume equals base, the base of the object times the height. What is the formula for volume of a cylinder? V equals big B times H. Is that the same as the volume formula for any other shape? Yes, it's the same as the volume is for a prism. It is the same as a prism because both shapes have parallel bases. So you need to find the area of the base and multiply by the height. Then they ask, what will be substituted for B? Or what is the formula for B? B is the area of the base. And in the case of a cylinder, the base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared because the base of the cylinder is a circle. So let's review the area of a circle. As you can see drawn, there's a circle. Half of the point through the center to the edge is the radius. That's represented by an R. If the line goes through the center from each side to the other, that is your diameter. That's represented by D. So whatever the radius is, you need to square it to get the diameter. And if in your problem you have the diameter, you need to divide that number by 2. Now, let's do an example together. Find the volume of each cylinder, round your answers to the nearest tenth if necessary. Use 3.14 for pi, or you can just use pi. Step 1. Write the formula. V equals big B times H. Then we can put in what we know. We know that big B equals pi r squared. So we're going to be writing out pi r squared times H. We know that pi is 3.14, or you can use the pi button on your calculator. We know the radius is 2, and we know the height, there's the radius because it's only halfway across, and then we know the height is 2.5. Now we can put it in as follows. Pi, or 3.14, times 2 squared times 2.5. So put that into your calculator. And let me know what you got. Well, I guess we can't do that since we're doing it this way. So hopefully you got 31.4 centimeters. And these are always cubed. So it would be 31.4 centimeters cubed. Let's try another example. Find the volume of the cylinder, round your answers to the nearest tenth if necessary. Use 3.14 for pi. So write out what you know. Volume equals big B times H. Then you would write volume, since it's a circle, volume equals pi r squared times H. We know pi is 3.14. This picture is showing us the diameter. So that would mean the radius would be half of 4. So your radius is 2. And then the height of this cylinder is 7 inches. So in your calculators, you can put pi times 2 squared times 7. And when you do that, give you a couple of seconds to figure that, you should get 87.9 inches cubed. Now let's try the last 2 examples. These don't have pictures, so you can draw your own picture, or you can just put in what they are, the amounts that in the formula that they are giving you. I'm going to let you set these. Let's see. No, we're going to do these together. Okay? So volume equals big B times H. volume equals pi r squared h. We know the chili has a radius of 5.25, so r is 5.25, and the height is 13. So now you can plug that in your formula. Pi times 5.25 squared times the height of 13 is your volume. After you put that in your calculator, you should have got 1,125.1 centimeters cubed. The last practice problem is you have a cylinder carton of oatmeal and it has a diameter of 13 and is 24 centimeters tall. Find the volume. Same process as the other examples we've done. Write down the formula. V equals big B times H. V equals pi r squared times H. We know that R, let's see, they're giving us a diameter in this question, so we know R is going to be half of 13. Half of 13 is 6.5. So we know R is 6.5, and we know the height is 24. So when you put that in your calculator, pi times 6.50 squared times 24, you will get the volume. After you put that in your calculators, you should have gotten 3,184 centimeters squared. And that's it. Tomorrow we will do cones. Thank you for watching. Get your homework off the table and you can begin. Thank you.